too. What do you like to do?
That kid's wild. He just went off on those keys. Wah! Good morning. Yo, I am Mnemonic. Yeah, I'm in my army clothes, as you can tell. It's about 4:20 in the morning. Shout out to Rare Bass. How you doing, my man? Keep a bass boost in the beats. He told me to sample this. That's why I've been holding it and talking. Hold on.
It's music time.
It's music time. I'm gonna show all of you what I did. I even made a piano instrument by sampling these four.
Let's play.
That's right, you have to be in play mode. It's not quad tonic? Is that a thing? Quad tonic? There's 4 different modes. There's Spanish even. This thing is legit. You need to go cop one. There's a link in the description. I got sponsored by Fisher-Price. So obviously you get the tactile click. I pushed them as softly as I could just so I would get the sound. And then edited it in the computer to get just the piano sound. And then I even got the...
It's music time.
I'll show you. Let's do this. It's music time.
It's music time.
Yes, that little bit of reverb that I added to this very stale and clanky piano definitely helps. Hey, if you're new here, welcome. I'm very glad that you've subscribed to my channel. My goal is to hit 200 subscribers by this Friday so I can make some beats and drink some beer. No pressure though. It's totally okay. I'll drink beer regardless, but I am going to go live and do that again. Probably not for 2 hours. Maybe I'll limit myself to an hour. So tell your friends, help me get to 200 subscribers. And then at 500 subscribers, I'm going to put out an album. 7 tracks. I've already started working on it, but I really want to showcase more my vocals. I don't do that as much on this channel anymore. You know, insecurities, different things. One of the biggest things is lyrics, you know, coming up with words and really exposing one's true feelings is kind of scary at times. It's kind of interesting. Wow, let's change the vibe of this video right quick. Get back to the music because
It's music time.
that's right, it's music time. So I recorded 4 sounds, remember? Those are our 4 original sounds. I'm using Ableton Sampler to put zones into my keyboard for what sounds to play. When I hit this A flat, it's going to use that same sample for this key, and this key until it gets to C. Then it's going to switch to that C sample. And then it uses it for just those 3. And then it switches to the E flat all the way up to A flat. Woo! I just wanted to show it to you because it's cool. I'm really not trying to get technical with it. I like this though. It just needs other sounds. That's all we really need. Hey folks, what time is it? What's that?
It's music time.
about the drums. Ah, of course. This is where it started. It's so... it needed a kick. But that's so robotic, so it needed some sway. It reminds me of someone, you know, doing the do straight up on the table like school back in the day. And I think that's fitting for a Fisher-Price piano sound. And a clap. A really big clap. And then it needed a snare to kind of scare you as soon as the beat drops. A little jump. And then some perkies, some percussions. And then another clap. And then it needed some trappy traps, but like subtle. And then just one more thing. Some white noise on the up. The and. 1 and 2 and 1. There's some more sounds we need to get. That one's nice. The little book. Oh, and the mouse right here. Solid. Quality sound.
Hello?
The beat is about to play. I just wanted to say thank you. I think it's appropriate to sample a child's instrument because music should have some type of liberating ability to it, something that frees you, something that makes you feel the way you used to feel when you were a kid. That open, imaginative, excited, hopeful feeling. And music can also give you a sense of comfort, you know, when things are difficult or when things are challenging. Life is not always the way it should be or the way it should feel, you know, when there's things that you're like, I wish it wasn't that way, and sometimes you can't change those things, so you got to make the best of it. It's like every beat I make or even video I make, it's normally something that I need. It's very selfish. Not selfish in a bad way, but a very self-filled and self-healing, self-soothing process. Music is beautiful. Ask any musician, they made it because, you know, it was something that they were going through that they need to process. Thank you for sticking with me through this wonderful creative time of sampling my children's piano. Shout out to Rare Bass once again for encouraging me to do so. Let's just keep making music because it puts a smile on my face, and I hope, I can't see it, but I hope you got a smile on yours.
It's music time, time.
Bye.